Still stuck digging through Confluence page trees just to find the right info? Meet content formatting, navigation, and visibility for Confluence. Create clean navigation hubs, control what users see, and manage attachments from one powerful toolkit. Start with Tab Parent Content Mapper. Choose a parent page, and it instantly turns every child page into tabs or a drop-down, rendering the full child content right on the page. Customize the experience with flexible appearance options, switch navigation type, select tab styles, add or remove borders, and apply accent colors to match your space. Need a hub for pages scattered across your space? Use Tab Label Content Mapper. Enter one or more labels, and it builds tabs for every matching page. Add an optional CQL filter to narrow results by space or rules. Then customize the look. Switch between tabs or drop-downs, choose a tab style, adjust borders, and apply accent colors to match your space design. Want the right audience to see the right section? Use conditional hide to hide content and conditional show to show content. For specific users or groups, perfect for shared pages with role-based sections. And for attachments, Attachment Control Center lets you browse attachments across your instance, filter and sort fast, run bulk, download, or delete, and track everything with audit logs. Cleaner pages, faster navigation, smarter control, right inside Confluence. Boost your Confluence experience faster, smarter with content formatting, navigation, and visibility for Confluence. Try it today.